Hello and warm welcome to thebitinfo.com. Here I'm going to talk about what is big data. The term big data is in very much talk among the technical persons these days. Big data means a very voluminous and huge amount of data which may be structured or unstructured in whatever format, like it may be an image, video or text from whatever source, which needs complex algorithms, techniques and tools to store and process. Means this data can be stored and processed like data which we store daily in our laptops and mobiles. So which are the sources of big data? There are many sources of big data which generate a huge amount of data daily, like e-commerce sites, airlines, hospitals, electronic sensors, banks, CCTV cameras, social networking sites, electronic mails and many more. How this big data is useful? As the days are passing, it's becoming harder for the organizations in whatever field to survive in the market as they are facing tough competition from their rivals. So, to survive, these organizations must draw out some techniques to improve their service or productivity. Here, the role of big data comes. Big data is used for analysis and finding some important patterns and insights from it, which can help organizations to take accurate, timely, and better decisions. Organizations store this big data for years and draw out some consistent patterns from it to improve their business strategies and productivity. It seems a bit confusing, right? Let's look an example. Suppose there is a supermarket. Daily number of customers come and buy different products from it, and this wholesale data is stored at some place by supermarket. Now, at the end of 2 or 3 years, by analyzing the stored sales data, supermarket owners come to know that the average customers who are buying product X are also buying product Y. So now they may build a new strategy and may keep product X and product Y on the same rack so that customer much has not to walk much to buy product X and product Y, and this tactic may increase their sales. So in the same way, big data is useful in every field today. But how this big data is stored and processed? Generally, big data is stored in large data centers which are distributed across the globe. They are also known as distributed systems or most commonly cloud. These systems have very large amount of storage capacity and can process millions of bytes of data in a moment. So to access or modify the data, which is very voluminous, those processing techniques which we use in our daily life to manage our data in laptops or mobile can't be used. Suppose there is some database which is containing billions of records. Now to access any data from it, if we use usual SQL queries and server, then it may be possible that we will get result after some hours or even days depending on server's configurations and amount of data. So to process such huge amount of data, complex algorithms and techniques are used. One of them is Hadoop. Hadoop is widely used open source architecture to process big data. It uses MapReduce technique to access, integrate and modify big data. There are many more technologies like VB Data, Pradfora, column-oriented databases, etc. All the techniques make it easy and quick to handle and process big data. So thank you for watching this video. You can read full article on our blog www.thebitinfo.com. This was Jignesh from thebitinfo.com, and yes, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more knowledge.